tragedy struck when a fan at the Oasis concert fell off the top tier into the gallery below, but unfortunately has passed away. Imagine going to see one of the most famous and illustrious bands of the last 20, 30 years, having the concert of your life, and unfortunately that is the last concert you'll see, but also the last thing that you do in life. It is certainly a tragedy. So this fan apparently had a nasty fall, but what can be done, and can the family of the fan sue? What is the compensation that is likely to be obtained? When you go to a public event, the organizers of that public event have a duty of care and can be held liable for negligence. So if there was, for example, missing railing structure, if there was any particular hazardous condition that was foreseeable and known to the producers, the organizers of the Oasis gig, and they knew it was likely that fans could be in danger, they could be sued and there could be damages as a result of this incident. Now, the UK legal system is very different from, for example, the American system. Now, in America, there are astronomical payouts, very high damages awards for personal injury, negligence, and other types of wrongs that are committed. So the legal redress that you can obtain is enough for the plaintiffs, the people bringing the lawsuit, to be able to never have to work again in their lives. That is typically not the situation in the UK, because in the United Kingdom they have much lower payouts. The payouts typically range from 15,000 at the low end to a few 100,000. Rarely are they over £1 million. Very, very rarely. And also, it's also tougher to get into court because of the fees that you have to pay. For example, in a commercial litigation suit where you're seeking over £200,000 in damage, you already have to pay £10,000 in fees even to file the documents. And if you lose a case, in a lot of instances, you have to pay the lawyer fees for the opposing side, which can be prohibitive in nature because that will be hundreds of thousands of pounds. These things discourage people from even filing a lawsuit in the first place. And these are the kind of things which people assess prior to filing a suit in court. But obviously the Oasis fan debacle, tragedy, is very, very sad, given that it was supposed to be a happy and joyous occasion watching the best band in the world, but it turned into a very sad event.